Hi guys, today we have a 370Z that we did a boosted performance turbo kit on about 4.5 years ago. Came in for smoking heavily, and what we found was a scavenge pump died in it for the turbocharger. It's actually the second scavenge pump to die on this car since we did the install. The first one died in 2018, and then here it's failed again. See, it's a TurboWorks scavenge pump. You see inside of it is very corroded, which looks like it's been on the bottom of the ocean, which is just like what the first one looked like, just under 2 years. This one made it just over 2 years. We got a heavy-duty Mocal pump to replace it with, but lo and behold, it looks exactly like the TurboWorks pump. Can't say if it's made the same inside, but the outside is absolutely identical, which is something to watch out for on these cars with the scavenge pumps on the boosted performance kit. You might want to replace these things every couple of years or so, just to avoid having oil being pumped out into your intake and exhaust. That's really the worst part of all of it. The pump's not that expensive. Pain in the butt taking everything apart to clean all the oil out of it. Just something to watch out for, some unexpected maintenance costs on modified cars. Thanks guys.